Mexicans no almost build up no from behind, which is build up no preparing to score. And so we hear almost build up now. Patiently they are okay, and almost passes now at the back no very okay. Almost do midfield no so a lot of quick transition from there, and almost do attacking third now a lot of combination play and a lot of movement there. So Osha Tembia no move no do or more middle now. The system tends to be 3-4-3 of which are more two close players right in front of the back three, then two wide players supporting the front three. Tembia no omunikura no more 5 players in your half. Into omutiminya numerical advantage in the middle. With this type of play, no Tembia no be create a lot of chances, and the possession play no be more. And what the way omo do middle third now you could see say the front three of Mexicans no more stretchy team no wide, which is right and left wingers no move beam, then the center forward needs in the middle. Into one way Abeka so you open omo give you vulnerable omo 2 central midfielders no e go with underlap rounds. In the Tembia no go no omo share na player no or running be right in the middle and be miti ball no and omu 2 chances so many nyina so almost run it through the middle one as passes na ba almost no so it tells you they are systematically okay omu ba they understand their play tactically they are okay and o share omu problem so omu defense no omu lose ball na quick no matter turn to 1-4 and no and our first back line of their defense now they are well organized but in the middle no na poor organization and I'm a bit mama South Africans, you know. So when I get back to them, I also coach, you know, into use advantage, now quick transition call, me the no multimedia punish into one and won't say more problem like a goalkeeper no. So tell me Lusubo no quick once and a back line in now organized and then organizing and then they are calling the ball from the goalkeeper because as a keeper no the decision making no too decisive as who say men ball and answer men passing a quick. Tembia no delay me close no down. So that is idea also coaching working on the part of the goalkeeper. His decision should be very quick in terms of mobile there. And Yabeko South Africans no whenever they are defending you could see some organized with the back 5 no and then the 3 in the middle. The 2 up front on South Africa problem. So 2 up front no also almost ultimate track Mexicans no so more attack almost 3 back no
Adams JD
but omu jinama sa 3 up front no be me be sound no maka. So Tembia no Mexicans no produce a lot of players into munya advantage. So this time no I know say marking started free up front. So the 2 up front na South Africans need you know they need to get ready. Lose ball and they should start the putting pressure and then the other players will give cover. And also over the distance between omo midfielders no attack na omo attack here is too wide. That 3 players gap need them to Tembia 2 players no and a kutabo ni a press or ni a GF from them. And more advantage over Mexicans no? And Ocean so almost strength power in terms of defense almost left back no? Which is a brand of 14 years no? Very fantastic player very organized at the back no? And no and Abuama South Africans no muntimi consider and no weakest defensive line almost right side Mudao no oko because more attack almost give you 3 and then normal give you 4 in the middle almost too close too wide Mudao no be more wide you lose ball now you need to run in na holding midfield and NBA mun kwese no machine na but opeso running direct eba no be so time on draw bia na omo winga no I decided so that is idea South African coach no so on so work on it ebe boa no wanye ne sa second half omo ba since I show some videos and then some tactical play on the board omo I bet me akwose omo down
nti omo maintaining the same shape omo the start here and now feel say
with the South Africans the way our Mexicans near were organized play no they need to maintain their back 5 no more bonus so they be on best stop it but it shouldn't be say omo open up wide and you can say almost BM Tembia no omo try so omo keep compact so they be a pass be omo to give penetration passes ana omo combine omo pass in up front now omo share Tembia omo person omo find the back line of omo team no omo person omo play behind na players no run under and over. And it's helping them, especially where the link up between South African midfielders no more forward now. They know that move no underlap and then overlap rounds no. Straight forward for to me run it back in now midfielders now run it up. And don't need deceive South Africans no. So I think say with for instance South Africa for there, I'm try some keep almost structure no very well in the same way, but the Mexicans no now. One thing I also add there, whenever they reach the final area, they should shoot from behind because any more munya face go no. They shouldn't try some combining their opponent direct. They have to combine and then shoot from behind when they have the space. That is idea. Me so suggest they are coach.
me jaw hona me busa we one question. Ocean South Africa. The only attempt to manya no on target no Mbokazi was shooting from afar. But Osho mu team no more Tempers one and in himself or yes sad you know Osho any more so evidence makopa and so ho. Say no waka say the likes of Foster and Renes omo ntimi are they impressing well anymore. Over suggest say a change in terms of personnel for the second half and I say maintain it for a while and sana.
Yeah, there should be change. Even the change should start from the middle. The partnership between Mokena and then Situ, no, Sitoli, no, it's not helping.
As a
because where, as a say, no, when started build up now, on the Mokena drop it deep. Because on the Sitoli, no, the confidence level, no, that is on no drop it deep. And drop it deep, or also Sitoli, no, corner. Still no, you know, to tell me, I'm by a pa. So a marking easy. And the South Africans need to be combining or more passes now on person bono. And one thing I made edgy coach and he said they should stop playing from behind. Or direct play. They should put their team up front and then push everybody up. And goalkeeper no good kicks. No one call with direct play. And no better man challenge the back line of Mexicans. Almost almost deficiency. Yes, sir. Can say the Mexicans in Sabbath use the same plan normally pressure on J ball on their punishment.
Okay. Yeah, caught for the second half. Now, as an African, would you expect